All right, so in this video, I want to talk about how to actually build a social circle in your city because, I see a lot of coaches talking about how to date girls, how to get dates, how to close the deal and have sex or whatever. But not a lot of guys talk about how to actually have a social circle. And I think social circle is very important too, because if a girl sees that you're just a loner, you're just a weird guy who just approaches women all the time and dates women all the time without having any friends, it's a bit weird. Like, women want to feel like you have that social life. Nothing oozes more masculinity than a guy who's respected by other guys, who's respected by his peers, who has friends that look up to him. So if you have friends that look up to you and you have an amazing social life that you can bring her a part of, like you can bring her to an amazing social life, the woman is going to be way more likely to be retained. I see a lot of guys, they're not able to retain women because not only the sex is bad, like most guys fuck like shit, they don't have a really good sex. Sex is very important in a relationship, but also they don't have a really quality peer group. They don't have quality events going on. They date a girl, but they always do the same things. They always take her to the same restaurant or to the same rooftop. They always do Netflix and chill at their place, but they don't have anything going on. They don't have any friends, any social circle. So I'm going to teach you here how to have an amazing social circle and how to have a lifestyle that really attracts women to you directly. If you start from scratch and you don't have any friends, like let's say right now you don't have any friends, you come to a new city, how do you bootstrap your social circle? How do you start from scratch without money? Because let's be honest, you're not Gatsby, right? If you watch the movie Gatsby, you don't have a mansion, you don't have like millions of dollars to bring people to your parties or whatever. So how do you actually have a social circle if you don't have a lot of money, right? Well, it starts with actually showing up to different events, right? You got to show up consistently to events. There's this great app actually that I found out recently called Nomad Table if you're traveling in Southeast Asia. It's really good, you can meet a lot of people. But there's also several websites like, meetup.com, Eventbrite, all these meetup events. Like in your city, there's probably a ton of communities. And even you can just check out Facebook groups, like check out expats in whatever city, or social whatever, or take a bachata class or take a martial arts class. If you go to the gym consistently and you meet people, you're gonna build a great social circle. If you go to even dance classes, bachata classes, if you go to meetups, conferences, networking, any way to meet people, you're gonna start having those social interactions. Now, once you have those social interactions, take people's contacts. Like talk with them a little bit and then take people's contacts. That's why Instagram is so crucial, because when you have a great Instagram, it's like your digital business card. Your Instagram is your digital business card. You talk to someone and you just tell them like, hey, let's exchange Instagram, let's keep in touch. And then what you want to do is you want to follow up with these people. You want to invite them to any event. For example, you can create like, just a coffee meetup, or just like, okay, hey guys, there's this nice event. Let's do a pre-drink there, right? And you invite all the people you've met. And some people are not going to show up. Like you're probably going to have a show rate of like 20-30%. But if let's say you meet 10 people in an event, you add them to a WhatsApp group, and then you message them like, hey guys, I'm going to do this event, or I want to go check out this thing. Come with me. Well, maybe 5 of them, 6 of them are not going to show up, but maybe 3 or 4 of them are going to show up. And then you start building that connection over time with them. You start creating new events and new events. One of the biggest hacks to create a social circle is actually creating a group with the people you meet. You create like a WhatsApp group, and that's going to be the seed for your social circle in your city. You create like a small WhatsApp group. At first, you invite one person that you meet, another person that you meet, another person here from those events, from these social encounters, and then you invite them to a container event where you contain your social circle. Like that could be, as I said, a dinner, a meetup. You go check out this concert or whatever. And then bit by bit, when you tell people to bring their friends, like, hey man, come join this event and bring your friends. Or hey man, come join this and tell your cool friends to come. Well, that snowballs, because then they invite their friends, you meet their friends, then the social circle grows bigger, the pie gets bigger. And that's how I built a social circle in every city I'm at. By showing up to a lot of events, by being a regular at some venues as well. I'm a regular in some coffee shops, I'm a regular at some gyms, I'm a regular at some bars. And then I end up knowing the people because you have familiarity with these people, right? There's something called the mere exposure effect. The more you expose yourself to someone, the more you see someone, the more that person likes you because they become familiar with you. It's like, when you see someone the first time at the gym, you might not say hi to them, but then you see them a second time, maybe you say, oh, okay, hi. And then you see them a third time, you start having a conversation. You see them a fourth time, the conversation grows deeper, and on and on and on and on, because there's familiarity. You see them over and over again. It's like you meet your neighbor for the first time, you just say hi. But then a second time, you start talking, you start knowing them. And so it's the same thing, like you gotta put yourself consistently in the same environments so that you can build that familiarity with people as well. That FaceTime, you know, face-to-face time is very important. There's different levels of rapport with people. You can have one-on-one rapport with people, which means like you're comfortable enough to have a one-on-one conversation with them, you're comfortable enough to have a coffee with them. But then there's this level of rapport where you have introductory rapport. Introductory rapport is very powerful. It's the level of rapport where not only are you comfortable hanging out with this person one-to-one, like taking a coffee, but that person is so comfortable with you that they're willing to introduce you to their social circle. And this is very powerful. So if you're able to meet people and these people are so confident in you and they like you so much that they're able to introduce you to their own social circle, that's where it snowballs. You start meeting your cool friends. You start meeting your friends. You start meeting the social circle of the people you meet. And that's how you infiltrate high status social circles. You know, in every city I've moved in, I've been able to be in the best social circles in that city, in the best events, because I meet the best people and then they introduce me and they invite me, right? But you can't do that if you don't meet people, if you don't approach people, if you don't take their contact and invite them first, right? Don't wait for people to invite you. Be the one to initiate. And building a social circle is a skill, and there's ways to do so. And I teach that inside my program. I have a program called the Dating Accelerator. I've been running this program for over almost 8 years now. I've been helping guys all over the world to completely transform their social life, their dating life, their communication, their confidence. And if you're one of these guys, if you want to get 1 to 3 dates a week, or you want to build an amazing social life, have amazing friends without wasting your time, then check out the links in the description. Check out check out my videos, but also check out the links, check out my school community. I have a free school community with plenty of resources inside. It's completely free. And there's an amazing classroom with tons of videos and tons of PDFs and resources that you can check out in my school community. But you can also book a call with my team. I have a team. Not only do I take calls myself, but my team takes calls, and we basically craft a game plan together where we can take you from where you are to where you want to be in just a couple of weeks by just implementing some simple systems into your dating life. In any case, I'm not going to make this video too long. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description or just simply DM me. Cheers.